Did you think Sapphire in a box was too good to be true? Were you suspicious of an April the 1st robotic install launch? Well, you were right. Whilst globalisation is very definitely a reality, these clever inventions are not. At least not yet. However, there is plenty of truth. Our off-site manufactured cassette balconies are compact and easy to transport, and already available in New Zealand, North America and Europe, as well as the UK. And our remote locker device is very much a reality, and in use on a number of sites across the country where facades or tight site perimeters need something smart. This clever accessory actually enables an installer to lift and attach the balcony from within the safety of the building and holds the balcony in place until the final bolts are attached, locking it into place. It can't be controlled using our Coach app yet, but the Coach investment is taking us ever closer to automated and controlled installs. It also won't surprise you to learn that not true technologies are exactly that, not true. We also stole the look of a Toronto police robot to create our clever balcony install robot. Our R&D team is the envy of many in the industry, but as yet there's no Professor Pixardust, although we are always on the lookout and for forward-thinking, passionate professionals to join us. Sapphire. Balconies made rigid, ready, right.